children, good morning to everyone. Okay, in today's class we are going to continue the lesson My Baby and I. Okay, My Baby and I. So before getting into the lesson, we are going to read the hard words. Okay, see here, gravely. The first hard word is gravely. G-R-A-V-E-L-Y. Gravely. And the meaning of gravely is seriously. Seriously. Second one, emerge. Emerge. So meaning of emerge is to come out of. To come out of. Last one, rewarding. Rewarding in the sense fulfilling. Okay. Repeat this with me. Gravely. Seriously. Emerge. To come out of. Rewarding. Fulfilling. Okay. Let's see the lesson. Okay. See here. The baby butterfly ate the leaves quickly. He felt that he needs some rest. He quickly started sending some threads from his mouth. The butterfly thought that something was gravely wrong. She saw the little one with the thread around him until it was completely inside the woven thread comb. The mother butterfly came to a conclusion that her baby was greedy. He ate many leaves and now wanted to sleep inside his home. Oh, what a lazy little one God has blessed me with, she said herself. So, we know that the little worm came out of the egg and started eating all the leaves, and the mother butterfly wondered what happened to this one. It's eating a leaves instead of sucking the nectar. Like this, the mother butterfly is seeing in a wondered way. Okay. And then what the baby caterpillar doing? The baby butterfly ate the leaves quickly. So this baby butterfly ate all the leaves quickly. Okay. He felt that he needs some rest. He quickly started sending some thread from his mouth. So see here. Like this, the baby sends some threads, okay? While in the white color, it's sending some threads. So, the baby, after eating all the leaves, the baby is feeling very tired. So, he needs rest. So that he is sending some thread. Okay, and then what happened? The butterfly thought that something was gravely wrong. Okay, after seeing all this, the mother butterfly is thinking that something was wrong. Something was gravely wrong. What is meant by gravely? See here. Gravely in the sense seriously. Okay. Something is seriously wrong. Who is thought like that? Yes. The mother butterfly is thinking like that. And then she saw the little one with the threads around him until it was completely inside the woven thread comb. Okay, the mother butterfly is watching the little one. What it is doing? Yes, it is completely inside the woven thread comb. And then the mother butterfly came to a conclusion that her baby was greedy. He ate many leaves and now wanted to sleep inside his home. So by seeing all these things, the mother butterfly came to a conclusion. It means it came to some result and thinking about his little baby. It was very greedy. It ate all the leaves and it's going to take rest in the woven comb. Okay, thread woven comb. Okay, and then the mother butterfly saying herself, oh, what a lazy little one God has blessed me with, she said herself. Okay, finally what the mother butterfly is saying? Oh no, God has blessed me with a very lazy little baby. Who is saying like this? Yes, mother butterfly is saying like this. Okay, and then see. One day the mother butterfly waited patiently in front of the thread comb. Okay, one day what the mother butterfly is doing? Yes, it is waiting for a long time and it is waiting patiently. Okay, by seeing the thread comb of a little one. She heard some noise. She see that her baby was trying to break the thread and walk out of the home. Okay, she heard some noise. Okay, the mother butterfly is hearing some noise. Okay, What noise is that? Yes. This baby butterfly is trying to break out the thread and trying to come out of that comb. Okay. She saw a beautiful butterfly emerge out in yellow color just like her. Okay. From that situation, this mother butterfly saw a beautiful butterfly same like her. Okay. In yellow color. It flew floor to floor to drink the nectar. This sight was the most rewarding. What is meant by rewarding? Fulfilling. Okay, rewarding means fulfilling. This sight was the most rewarding one for the mother butterfly. The mother butterfly said, "A baby just like me, as beautiful as can be." What the butterfly said? Yes, a baby just like me, as beautiful as can be. So before that, the mother butterfly worried by seeing the worm that is small shaped or badly shaped. And then what happened? By seeing this little butterfly, the mother butterfly was very happy because it is same like her. Okay. It flew floor to floor to drink the nectar. So, like a mother butterfly, little one also came to from one floor to another floor to suck the nectar. Finally, mother butterfly is saying, "A baby just like me, as beautiful as can be." Okay, see here children, this is a lifespan of the butterfly. Okay, butterfly will lay an egg first. It lay an egg first, and then what happened? From this egg, caterpillar will come out. Okay, the worm will come out, and then what will this do? Yes, it form a pupa like this. Okay, pupa like this. From that, a little butterfly will come out. Okay, this is the lifespan of butterfly. Okay, without knowing this, mother butterfly worried that her baby was in a malformed shape. Okay, and then finally she saw a little butterfly same like her, and then it became very much active. Okay, do you all understand this lesson? Okay, children.
Children, now we are going to continue the activity for the lesson My Baby and I. So, in previous class we saw that there was a mother butterfly living in a garden. It has a beautiful black dots on the lines of her wings. She went one floor to another floor to drink the nectar and it enjoyed her life happily. One day, she laid some eggs under a surface of a leaf. She waited patiently for the little butterfly to come out of the egg. Little butterfly also came out, but the butterfly wondered what happened to her baby. It is sick or it is malformed. Like that, the mother butterfly is worrying about the little one. Why? The little one came out as worm. It is in a shape of malformed. Then what happened? The worm came out of the egg and looked around. Then he started eating the leaf. This little worm started to eat the leaf. The mother butterfly thought that her baby was very hungry. But she wondered why her baby was eating leaves instead of drinking the nectar from the flowers. The baby butterfly ate the leaves quickly. He felt that he needed some rest. He quickly started sending some thread from his mouth. So, this little worm started eating all the leaves and then he felt that he needs some rest. The mother butterfly thought that something was gravely wrong. Gravely means seriously wrong. So, this little one is doing like this. By seeing that, mother butterfly is thinking that something was seriously wrong. She saw the little one wind the thread around him until he was completely inside the woven thread home. What was he doing inside? The mother butterfly came to a conclusion that her baby was greedy. He ate many leaves as fast as he could and now wanted to sleep inside his home. Oh, what a lazy little one God has blessed me with, she said to herself. So, this little one is wind the thread around him and it completely gone inside the oven home. By seeing this, mother butterfly came to a conclusion. It was very greedy. It ate all the leaves and now gone to take rest. And the mother butterfly said to herself, "Oh no, what a lazy little one God has blessed me with." One day, as the mother butterfly waited patiently in front of the thread home of her baby, she heard some noise. She went closer to see that her baby was trying to break the thread and walked out of the home. She saw a beautiful butterfly emerge out of that home. The baby butterfly was bright yellow in color, just like her. Okay, so this mother butterfly waiting patiently, okay, in the front of thread home. Inside that, a beautiful little butterfly came out, okay, came out. By seeing that, mother butterfly was very happy. The baby was yellow in color. So that little one, it flew from flower to flower to drink the nectar. This sight was the most rewarding one for the mother butterfly. So this butterfly worried about the little one. No, it became all shaped. It is not like us, and it is drinking. It is not drinking nectar. Like that, the mother butterfly is worried about the little one. But now it is drinking nectar from one flower to another. Next, the mother butterfly said, "A baby just like me, as beautiful as can be." So this moment was most rewarding, most fulfilling moment for the mother butterfly. What the mother butterfly said? Yes, a baby just like me, as beautiful as can be. Okay, children, have you all understood this lesson? Have you all enjoyed this lesson? Okay. Children, now we are going to continue the classwork writing for the lesson My Baby and I. Roman letter 4. Past tense. Number 1. Reward. R-E-W-A-R-D. Reward. Past tenses. Rewarded. R-E-W-A-R-D-E-D. Rewarded. Number 2. Bless. B-L-E-S-S. Bless. Blessed. B-L-E-S-S-E-D. Number 3. Feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. Felt. F-E-L-T. Felt. Number 4. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. Needed. N-E-E-D-E-D. Needed. Number 5. Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. We'll recall it once again. Reward, rewarded. Bless, blessed. Feel, felt. Need, needed. Think, thought. Next we are going to write Roman letter 5. Question and answer. Number 1. W H Y. Why do do? Why do butterflies? B U T T E R F L I E S. Why do butterflies? G O go. G O go. From. F-R-O-M. From. Floor. F-L-O-W-E-R. Floor. To. T-O-W-2. Floor. F-L-O-W-E-R.
Why do butterflies go from floor to floor? Answer is butterflies. Butterflies. Butterflies go. Go. Go from FROM. From floor. FLOWER. TO2. Floor to floor. FLOWER. In. Search. SEARCH. Search of. OF. Nectar. NECTOR. Nectar. Butterflies go from floor to floor in search of nectar. Question number 2. What? WHAT. What did? DID. Did. THE. The tiny. 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 Worm. 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 Do. Do. After. 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 Coming. COMING. Coming out. OUT. Out of. OF. Of the egg. EGG. What did the tiny worm do after coming out of the egg? Answer. After. AFTER. After coming. COMING. Coming out. OUT. Out of. OF. Of the egg. The. The tiny. TINY. Tiny worm. 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 Started. STARTED. Started eating. EATING. Eating leaves. LEAVES. What did the tiny worm do after coming out of the egg? After coming out of the egg, the tiny worm started eating leaves. Number 3. Why? WHY. Why did the baby 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 butterfly 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 start start sending 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 some some threads 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 from 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 its its. Why did the baby butterfly start sending some threads from its? Answer. The baby 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 butterfly BUTTERFLY the baby butterfly started 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 sending 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 some some threads THREADS some threads from 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 its mouth 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 TO2 to view VEAVE
The T-H-E, the cocoon. Cocoon. C-O-C-O-O-N. Cocoon. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around it. Why did the baby butterfly start sending some threads from it? The baby butterfly started sending some threads from its mouth to weave the cocoon around it. Okay children, write past tense and question and answer in your English classwork note neatly.
Okay children, have you all enjoyed this lesson? Okay, see what's the home assignment here? Complete past tense and question and answer in your English classwork note. Okay, you have to write past tense and question and answer in your English classwork note. Okay, already you wrote keyword, synonyms and nouns. Now you are going to write past tense and question and answer. Write neatly, okay, and then activity. Complete page number 120 in your English book. So you have to complete page number 120.